Welcome, XIAOMI is a Poco F2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And there is 3 different ways of doing it. I'm going to show all of them. But number one, let's start off by opening up the content that I wish to capture. So let's just, for me, I'm going to capture the app drawer. So once it's open, all you need to do, the first method would be to hold power key and volume down. You get this animation sound to it, and also allows you to take a scrollable one. Now you can tap on it and it will automatically start scrolling. Once you're done, you just tap on it and you can select either scroll down even more or click on done, and this will now be saved, as you can see. So you tap on save and there we go. So that's a scrollable one, and you can do that with every method. It will always pop you up this little icon right here, and if you have content to be scrolled like it is right here, you will be able to do it. So that was the first method. The second method would be with 3 fingers. As you can see, I have 3 right there. Swipe down. Oops. Try it again. There we go. As you can see, it does the same thing. And the last method is through the notification panel. You will have a toggle right here, so you tap on it and literally does the exact same thing. So whichever method works for you the best, you can just use that single one. There's just different variations of capturing it. And then all the images can be found in your photo gallery. Once you go into albums, you should see screenshots, and there we go. And you can see there they are. So there's the 2 normal ones, there we go, and the one scrollable one. As you can see, this is the longer one. So that is how you can capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.